Watumaga na mwaga machozi wakati umenipatia mapenzi yako yote na tule.
Yes.
Paka ngalia.
Yes.
Yes.
Tiraithi. Not very simple.
Why should you cry? It must be a very weak man.
Women are supposed to cry when they feel loved, right?
Why should you be served by mapenzi and then you cry? What kind of a man are you?
What did you expect?
Unapewa mapenzi unalia.
Unaenda gwika atia?
Na ni weto wendo.
Na kaithe mundu hau tindari hau akuhe wendo.
Ararira niki? Yes, real men araigua atumia makiuga ati anakuanga hard sana ku please.
Yes. Ni wakwa ono ngimugurira ki. Ni nyamuno ki.
Those are real men.
Ati ona ndumenya ake okire ngimuiga.
The real son of Mau Mau. Wengine ni imposters. Yes. Real son of Mau Mau. They are very hard to please.
Yes.
Yes. And they are very skeptical.
Yes. Ana mutumia ake ndo ni kiage kamukenia ati amugurire kindu kirikihewa kiria ngimukenia.
Ana ni amuragia. Yakimuria. Ati wa mungai ni gigi kwangurira.
Ni karatu gaka ndona gekega ni mandikonire ndona tu gekega winako da imagine winako reka ngikwagirira
ona karehe ndigekire ndigerie ngwenda gukuria atiriri we handu hangi ugerete kana ima thoko ukite.
Little men are so hard to please.
No akorwo ni wakageria kwa muganga.
Yes. Nikio radera adauma wira ngoka anyinukite. Yes.
You want your man akorwo kiria ukiona.
Yes.
They are very hard.
Yes.
Please. Na athuri mekujirite ngugeithie
ndageithika
na makijira njariria andu akura gwitagwo ri kura gwitagwo athi
aria kuria Juja farm na kuria Kianda
mundu ungikorwo nete mburi ina mukanda
irorire
no atwire Saturday ri he mugunda magurie na matira ngiri kurira mburi mugunda-ini cio mburi irarega kurio